Kung Vice President Duterte and her allies are saying that the House is politically harassing her. But of course, the lawmakers have denied this. Kung, what do you think caused this 180 by the House on Vice President Duterte? Or why do congressmen have become more increasingly openly critical of the Vice President in recent months?
Well, I cannot speak for other members of the House of Representatives. But for me personally, I have nothing against the Vice President. We have to remember that this is just my first term as a representative of of Congress. And well, for me, I'm just doing my job, Dwight. As a lawmaker, part of our job is the oversight power of the Congress. So I guess I'm doing this also in other departments, questioning the utilization, questioning the controversies being faced by other departments or agencies. So for me, this is just part of my job. No, nothing is personal with the Vice President, but of course, probably may epekto din siguro yung naging acquisition niya noong nakaraang linggo during the budget hearing of the Office of the Vice President. And I guess the people deserves to know, no? Dahil sa meron nga tayong krisis sa edukasyon, so wala ho silang pwedeng masabi kundi mga katanungan kung ano nangyari during her tenure as the Secretary of the Department of Education. So it is expected from my colleagues to ask and raise these concerns and questions because we're just doing our job as legislators, right?